beyond anything I've had at any restaurant.
Hi y'all, welcome back to Cooking McGee Style. Today we're going to make tacos. I'm gonna try a few things different and new. We're gonna be using this Orks fajita meat we prepared and Bobby already seasoned. And then I've got some water buffalo stew meat that I may or may not use for this dish.
Oh my god. Oh my god.
Let's start with an experiment. I want to see if I can make hard shell tortillas out of soft corn tortillas. Got the oven preheating at 350. Let's see if this works. If not, I have backup. So, hey. That's better. That's stuffable. Let's start with some olive oil in a microwave safe dish. I'm not using a whole lot because I don't know if this is gonna work. And then I'm gonna add some Julio seasoning to it. It's just a all-purpose Mexican seasoning. It's really yummy. We like Julio's. Pop this in the microwave for a second. Do you remember this? I have a video on it. I will link it. We made this on 6/19. It's been in there for a month. Let's see. And I've been turning it and twisting it and shaking it up. Basically looking for pickled jalapenos, but Bobby likes raw jalapenos too, so that's what I'm doing. Like I said, there's a link in the description on how we put this together. Let me taste a little piece. Not quite all the way pickled, still a little crunchy, but still really good. So we're using those. There's also onions in there. Yum. I'm gonna cut up a few of those. And the onions are good too. Okay. I'm quite pleased with that. From 6/19 to 7/25. Pretty good. Okay, so you can do this straight on your oven rack, I think. I'm gonna try this. I kind of jerry-rigged this. This is not what it's for, but let's see. Let's see if it works. It might not. It might, it may not. It might absolutely not. It doesn't. Let's see if this works. Okay. This is the olive oil. The oven is preheated at 350 degrees. This will be a lot easier with a spray, but I am out. We're going grocery shopping very soon. And I'm gonna try to just, maybe, if it wants to go, do that. See if I can make crispy tacos. I'm only doing 4 because I don't know if it's gonna work. Eek. Okay. Ooh, I just had an idea. Hold on. Let's try it like this. Got a smaller dish. They still won't touch the bottom, and this just kind of lays on top. Let's try that. I like that better than the thing just leaning sideways and falling off. Let's try that. Pop them in the oven at 350. And I will make note of the time. It's 7:28. It's just sharp cheddar cheese. And I have more in case I need it. Cheese. Let's cut some lettuce. I have romaine lettuce. That's what I got. So we're just gonna And I know I have videos out there like, don't cut your lettuce, but we're fixing to eat this like right away. So it will be just fine. Okay, so we've got some green onions, lettuce, cheese, pickled jalapenos, sour cream, and we have salsa. No, we did not make this. We bought it at the store. This is salsa habanero. This is regular salsa rojo. Still waiting to see if those tortillas cook right. Like I said, soft tacos are fine too. Let's open up this meat and see what it looks like. Okay, this is the Orcs pre-seasoned fajita meat. We'll cut it into strips. I'll post a picture of the Orcs in case you don't know what that is. Most people, I mean, I didn't know what it was until Bobby went and hunt one, or shot one, or however you want to put it. I'm just cutting it into strips so it's easier to manage and cook on the stove. And that's already pre-seasoned, so I don't have to do anything to that other than cook it. Change of plans, the water buffalo stew meat. I think that's plenty of meat for me and Bobby anyway. We're gonna do something with this tomorrow. I'm gonna stick this in the fridge and go get my pan ready to cook this meat. So for my experiment, I think these came out kind of well. The tricky thing is getting them off this rack without breaking them. I should have maybe gone over 3 layers. So that's gonna be hard to stuff, but we'll figure it out. I need a plate. Okay, right here's fine for now. Let's try this again. I'm gonna put it over 3 bars this time instead of 2. Let's see what happens now. It is 7:57. I'm gonna straighten that one up a little bit. No. And move this over a little bit. That. All right, it's 7:58. And the oven is at 350. It is hot. Let's let those cook a little bit and see if they come out better than the other ones. Leftover olive oil is gonna go on this thing right here. Okay, these are done. Let's see if this worked out better. It's hot. Oh yeah. Way better. I'll move them over there. Let them cool off for a second. I'll add a little bit more. We're gonna go to a 7, which is a medium high. Come back to this in a second once it warms up. Hi, Groot. Cootie. Hi, Cootie Butt. Hi. Say hello. Say hi. Say I am Groot. I am Groot. No? You want to say it? We got toothpaste on his head. Well, I didn't. He did it. It'll come off. See if I can get these off. Not break them. Oh yeah. That's better. That's stuffable. Ah. Cool. Leftover refried beans are hot and done. Yeah, I'm happy with that. It works out well. Okay. I'll turn this down just a tad. gonna go to a 3 and let these cook. I don't wanna be tough. Put these over there on a plate. And hopefully Groot don't eat them. I have this on a medium low heat. Won't be long and it'll be done. Let's taste one of these. Let it cool off for a second and then taste one. It's still on a medium low heat. I'm still hot. Oh my god. Oh my god. It's perfect. Off, done, perfect. We've got to do that again. Bobby needs to go on another hunt. Yep. Make some tacos and try to remember to take a picture before I eat it all. Okay?
I'm gonna use some of this, but I'm more of the meat eater.
I have the beans over there. Did you already see them?
No, I forgot the beans. Where are they
They're
at?
over there in the corner.
I just put some on my plate.
Let's eat. I don't like crunchy tortillas. I'm happy that they came out, but I don't like crunchy tortillas. I like soft ones. So, and I'm saving some of this for Bobby's lunch. I cannot believe how good this Oryx meat seasoned. Like when me and Bobby were processing it.
Well, of course, I did it.
He seasoned it and tenderized it for fajitas, and it's really good. So, yum. Hi, okay, let's try this. Oof. I'm hungry. And my tortillas fall apart because I did not cook it. That's okay. Ready? I'm really bad at overstepping. Anyway, it's kind of like mukbang. Don't mean to. Okay. All right, cook your tortillas. Or eat it with a fork. Let's eat it with a fork. I am so impressed with this Oryx seasoned fajita meat. It's beyond anything I've had at any restaurant. So, hey. So, one, I didn't cook these tortillas. And two, I let them sit too long. So, you got a little mushy. And I'm not at the right angle, but I'm probably gonna drop it and break it all if I try. Let's see. Bobby had mentioned going Alti earlier. I was like, here you have food. And no, this is, I've never had fajita meat this good from any restaurant I've ever been to, ever. So good. I wish I liked the crunchy tortillas because I wanted to try one, but I don't. So the first ones I did came out like how are you gonna stuff that? I mean, I could maybe try to. Maybe. I'm just not a fan of crunchy. I really do like how our
pickled jalapenos came out. Oh, those are really good. All right, let's see. If I cram some of this in there. The rest are gonna be used for, break them up, make them into chips. And use them. Let's try that. Well, they didn't fall apart in my hands. That's a bonus. The other ones I made came out perfectly. Bobby ate those. I just wanted to taste one. Probably gonna make a little salad out of this. What's left of it. Enjoy. Thank y'all so much for watching. Like and subscribe. And shoot me some comments on what you think about this video.